Today we're tackling a long overdue job, replacing the stern deck flooring. But while we are busy with interlocking foam, we recently discovered something far more alarming. Turns out, if we claim on our insurance to fix the propeller, our premium would almost triple. In today's video, we talk you through what that means. If you're a boater, this is something you really need to know, and make sure you double check your policy. And welcome back.
Hello. Hello.
We've got a little visitor come to stay for the night. Little Busty. He's almost 15 now, bless him.
Getting on, isn't he?
I know, bless him.
Loves the boat though.
Yeah, and he's up and down the steps fine, so that's good. So we are back from Cornwall, obviously.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed our little series on Cornwall. We thought we'd do some videoing and do some vlogging and sort of take you along for the ride.
We had a good time.
Wasn't as popular as our boat videos, but hopefully some of you enjoyed it. So today we start on some boat jobs. Well,
of course, it's bank holiday weekend.
Yeah, so it's got to be boat jobs. We've already started some. We've like cleaned the roof and some windows and stuff. And oh my goodness, these tiny little, well actually they're not tiny, but flies were hovering, weren't they?
Oh, the other week.
Yeah, across the
millions.
water. Yeah, literally. And our stern deck, just dead flies everywhere. We looked them up, I can't remember what they're called now, but they literally just sort of like last for a few days, don't they, and then die. So anyway, so today we're going to be replacing our stern deck flooring, so the foam flooring. So basically we're going to use the template from the old flooring for the new flooring.
For the new stuff for
because
now.
When we repainted our stern, what we didn't realise on the old flooring underneath, some of the rust had sort of obviously rubbed on the foam flooring, and then it's just sort of there goes Buster.
He's down, he's all right. He didn't fall down.
It's sort of is transferring onto the new paint, so we don't want that, so we're going to replace the flooring. But as we do, we're going to talk to you about boat insurance and our recent sort of dealings that haven't turned out to be quite what we expected.
Yeah,
so we thought we'd share.
Cheeky.
Yeah, we thought we'd share this with you rather than you just watching us do the flooring, which would be boring. We thought we'd talk you through, our sort of slightly unexpected, not very great news with our boat insurance. So, first of all, a bit of lunch.
Got cheese, isn't he?
Getting a bit paunchy after the pasties and cream teas in Cornwall, so a nice...
I'm not. Speak for yourself.
Nice healthy salad bowl. And now, Rich is back down the hole.
Oh.
He loves going down the hole.
Don't. Really don't.
So we're laying all the flooring down first, the old flooring, so we can remember where it went. We took it up for winter, didn't we, so that it wasn't getting damp underneath.
Yeah.
It's like doing a giant jigsaw, we can't remember where it all went. Okay, so jigsaw puzzle complete.
Tea break.
You got a new saying?
Yeah.
What's that?
Tony time.
Tony time.
that nobody will understand. Maybe someone will understand.
Some people might understand if they watch a certain programme. Okay, so let's just put the full ones on, and now it's time to use these as a template. So, as we have been telling you, we need to get our propeller fixed, and we spoke to the insurance company. We're not going to name names, but we spoke to the insurance company last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they okayed it. But then, obviously, since then, the river went on flood and we couldn't move. So, obviously, we've not been able to do it as yet. So, we were hoping end of May. Don't know which scissors to use here. And you've been on to the company, haven't you, Richard? And you take over, because I don't exactly know what happened.
No, well, we've come up for renewal.
Ah, that's right. So in the meantime, between like talking to them about the claim, them sort of, I guess, in principle, okaying it, but we couldn't book anything because
Yeah, it's all
flood.
agreed.
Yeah.
Prices are all agreed. Everything for the repairs agreed. All we
Yeah.
need to do is get it booked in and get it done.
Yeah.
So they're emailing saying when's it going to be done, because they want to clear the invoices off of their paperwork.
Yeah.
So I was like, well, I'll have to make some new phone calls, because now the river's back to normal. We can get it booked in and go ahead and get it all done.
Yeah.
Easy. But in the meantime, yeah, the renewal came through.
That's right.
But it came through as an email with failed payment, because normally it's on an auto renew and we just get it done, don't we?
Yeah.
And I thought, well, that's a bit weird. So I went on to the bank. There was nothing on there, and then I checked on their email. It had failed payment because they had literally trebled the price of the insurance.
Yeah.
And I'm quite pleased that the bank went, this is a bit odd, and failed it. And so I get on the phone to them, don't I, saying, look, you know, what's going on here? Why has my insurance gone up so much, like shockingly? And he said, oh, it's because you've made a claim and you now haven't got any no claims bonus.
Oh, sorry, it doesn't quite fit.
No. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, so back to the story.
Yeah, because we've made a claim on our insurance that hasn't gone through yet, they've wiped off all the no claims bonus and literally trebled my insurance.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'll be cancelling the claim because nothing has been actioned on it.
No.
And not bothering, because it works out cheaper in the long run for me to pay for the entire repair myself. It's daft, isn't it?
Yeah.
I may as well pay to have it lifted, because I'd have had to pay that to the insurance anyway.
Yeah. So we would have had to have paid 40%, did you say, anyway?
We'd have to pay 40%
Yeah.
of the repair. And it was like, well, this is ridiculous. So yeah, it actually works out cheaper for me to pay for the boat to get lifted myself, take the propeller off myself, take it down to Chichester and get it reshaped and repaired, and just put it back on. And whilst it's out, we'll do the blacking ourselves.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, we won't do the blacking, but it'll be jet washed off, won't it? And we'll put some keel black over the top to make it look better.
Yeah. It's a bit mad,
But yeah, it's
isn't
cheaper
it, really?
for me to pay for the entire repair.
Because if
And next year it's even cheaper for my insurance, because then I've got the extra year on top, so I'll have 5 years no claims.
Yeah.
It's like,
so basically, if we went ahead with the claim, then they were going to charge you how much for the renewal?
The renewal was almost 17 or £1,700.
£1,700 as opposed to 450.
£390.
Oh, £390.
Well, last year I paid £390.
Yeah, so it would have gone up a bit.
And then this year I've got a quote from another company at £390.
Mad, isn't it? So why would you claim when it's going to cost you that much money?
In the long run, I would have paid loads more. It's like, that's ridiculous. So it's only worth claiming on your insurance if it's massive damage.
Claim. Yeah.
Otherwise, what's the point? You may as well go. I mean, I know it's hull and machinery insurance, and that was accidental insurance from something submerged underwater. Nobody's going to see it. You can't blame anyone.
No.
So, I was a little bit peed off with my insurance company, considering I've been with them for 4 years.
Yeah, so it might just be, we thought we'd share that because we had no idea that that's how much it would go up, and it might
The original phone call, when I first phoned the insurance, I didn't want to affect my no claims, and he said you would lose 1 year.
Oh.
So I would lose 10% no claims bonus. And I was like, I can deal with that.
Why has he now gone back on that then?
Well, it's not him, is it? He don't own the insurance company, he's just a salesman on the end of the phone, isn't he?
No, right.
So obviously that's not quite true. And they wanted to take the entire lot off of me, and
So, I guess the moral of the story is
only claim if it's a huge claim.
First of all, don't redo your flooring because this is a flipping nightmare. Only claim if it's a massive claim, or basically check that type of thing, because we had no idea at all, did we? We thought it was going to go through hunky-dory, and
I'm glad we didn't get it done before it went on flood.
Yeah, because we...
Otherwise I'd have lost all my no claims and I'd be in a very expensive insurance quote. So I went on the old Go Compare website. And I looked through there and I found the cheapest one they did was £490.
Right.
So I thought, okay, that's quite good. And that was with Top Sale.
Oh.
A big insurance company. So I was like, so instead of doing it through there, I went direct to Top Sale, filled in the forms on their website and got it at £390. So the Compare website had taken £100 off of it.
Yeah.
It's like, this is a joke. But that's life, isn't it?
Yeah. Cost of living crisis, so they say.
No, it's just companies, isn't it? Taking what they can get.
That seems a bit greedy, doesn't it? I mean, So be warned, maybe.
If you've got a claim going through, check
T's and C's, definitely.
Check how much it's going to cost you in the long run, and if you're going to lose all your no claims bonus.
Yeah,
because then it really hurts.
Definitely. Right, back to it. So good having a template now, because like when we did the circular ones, it was so much trial and error last time, wasn't it?
Oh god, yeah.
Oh, it was a nightmare. We wanted to be out, but we haven't got any fuel.
I was like, oh no, it's meant to come round, he's obviously had some problem.
Yeah, the fuel boat was supposed to come.
But we've got jobs to do, so...
Yeah.
We'd have only gone up river, filled up with water and come back again.
Yeah, because we've got no water either.
Yeah.
Well...
It's just on one bubble.
We're on one bubble. Ta-da! Finished! Shiny new floor.
That's easier than cleaning it.
Well, that's flooring done, and we took Buster and Twiglet for a walk round the mill, and
they're done now.
That's Buster shaking. They've had their dinner. We noticed that there were bat boxes over there, which is really cute. I've never seen a bat box before.
No.
And Master Chef is at work.
Yeah, I just had 10 potatoes down.
And that's basically it for today. And
Sure you're finding no more jobs for
Yeah,
tomorrow.
oh, there's so many more jobs that we've got to do.
Yeah.
But hopefully, if we get some fuel, we might actually be moving.
Next week.
Yeah, that'll be
Yeah.
good. So we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
The new flooring went down a treat. No screws, no stress. But that insurance bombshell, still hard to swallow. One simple claim could have meant years of sky-high premiums. So, before you trust your policy, read the fine print. If this helped you avoid a costly mistake, give it a like and subscribe for more honest canal life, one foam tile at a time.